guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making my hair using Bohemian Passion Twist. This is the long one. I think we know the usual like short Passion Twist. This is the long one. Actually looks pretty nice. There are 35 pieces in one pack. Okay, yeah, 35. So if we're using two, that's about 70, and that's enough for any hair you want to do. First of all, you're going to start with washing your hair. Before you make any hair, you should wash your hair. If not, after like a week or two of making your hair will start itchy and it could get smelly and all of that. So we're going to wash our hair with this. I don't know if you can see it, and condition with this. I like this too best. I'm going to wash my hair and I'm going to be back. I like to detangle my hair before washing it. So I try to relax it, but this is what we're working with. Okay, so after you wash your hair, let your hair air dry, because you don't necessarily need to use heat. You can just be patient. I usually use this moisturizer. Don't know if you can see for my hair, and I don't wait for it to get like really dry before using it, because I don't want my hair to get dry and become like really dry. It was even almost finished. It's purple. I just take it everywhere to massage my scalp. What's that in? Okay. Okay, so now we just wait for it to dry. Now my hair is halfway dry, so before it completely dries up, we are going to divide the hair. So I usually divide my hair into 3, so it's like 1 at the back, then 2 at the sides. So we're going to start with the front. You can just, I don't use like gel on my hair when I'm making it. I don't know, I don't like it. I feel like after a week it just makes my hair white, flaky, and very itchy. So I would not recommend it. Back in the days, like when we usually made our hairs, like our hairdressers did not used to put gel to like make hair. So like now, anytime I go to like a salon and I want to do my hair, they're like, oh, they're going to use gel. Like I just pack my things and leave, because they are clearly not qualified enough. By the time we are done sectioning it, the hair is already pretty dry, because you know you kind of open it up as you're sectioning it. So this is what we have right now. Let's get started. making the front, you have to have a specific idea of how many you want to be there, and that will help with the way you divide it. I wanted about 25, 25 on both sides. So you divide each side. I mean, you have to do the math. You divide it and you plait it, like you weave it so it will be easier to cut when you want to make the front part of the hair. So all you need to do is you weave it, then when you want to do that exact line, you loosen it, you divide it into like 4 or 5, depending on how you want the hair to be. Then it just makes it really easier to do compared to just like leaving everything the way it is. As you see here, you just repeat the process of cutting it, plating it, or weaving it, and you loosen it when you want to do that line exactly. I moisturized my hair earlier in the video. That was before I made my hair. So now we just want to use moisturizing oil to lock in all the moisture in our hair so it doesn't get dry like really quickly. After locking in the moisture in your hair with oil, you also use hair mousse on the hair itself. That's on the twist itself. Not on your scalp, please, on the twist itself. And I like to use as much as possible.